Derek, and I'm gonna be doing a video. And this time, I'm gonna be playing with my cousin Collar, which you could hear his voice on Minecraft. I think on one of my Minecraft videos.
Snap game.
Okay. And
Give me one. You're mean.
I'm playing this, and they're arguing like always. Most of the time.
I taught him how to do stoppies.
Yeah, pretty cool. You just watch this, guys.
Here.
Dang it, messed up.
Tyler, come here. Pause that game for a minute. Come here.
Alright, guys. You have to pause it.
No, next. I'm pausing it. I'm not pausing it.
Oh, Collar.
Okay, I dropped play for me.
Sean's gonna play for Collar. Alright, guys.
Woo!
See you guys, stoppy.
Bam. Nick, at 8:15, at 8:30, we're starting on your Xbox.
How I'm playing?
No, you want the Xbox?
So guys,
Yeah.
a minute. Just sit here for a minute. Or something.
It looks like he's peeing, Derek. Your guy's peeing.
No. It's just weird. It's just weird, guys. Okay.
Y'all need to like be together when the vlog is day out. Derek, you go to college.
Travis Pastrana.
Cheers, guys. A minute, guys. I'm trying to get a big old ramp real quick.
I love watching this.
A minute, guys. It looks like I'm twerking. Oh, watch this, watch this. It looks like you're twerking.
Dude, I want to go to Travis Pastrana's house. You want to know why?
You see that drift, guys? Kyle, you said, oh, I'll get it. Okay, a minute. Let's see if I can do this. Tyler's trying to teach me how to play this game a little. I'm trying to get a big jump. Dude, look. Dance time.
Bro,
I did that on purpose.
Day 1 rep testing. Oh crap! Travis Lane is awesome.
No! I'll be sick if I
Oh,
did that.
look at Travis. He gets hurt badly. Look at him. Look how bad he gets. Day 1 rep testing.
Let me see.
Watch that. Hurry. Hurry. Watch Travis. That could have
Do
killed
it
me.
for me.
Let me see.
Why did they do that?
Travis brought me out here to test a brand new ramp that he had built to try and get some next level tricks done. This stuff was all trial and error, and we quickly learned that it wasn't big enough. It was 14 feet
That's
tall.
cool.
We jacked it up to 17 feet tall, and it was the biggest thing that's ever been hit by a bicycle in history, and it still wasn't big enough to get done what we wanted to do. So
They try it with a dirt
we
bike.
started from scratch and came up with this
I
10-foot-tall
got like, oh, I feel.
which
So
is
guys, I'm just my cousin Kyle is like watching a video. It's like
With Travis Pastrana.
something.
thought of.
Okay, y'all can see the game.
I'm gonna be
Okay,
riding it.
just making sure, guys.
Which is amazing.
Watch. Okay.
Bro.
Me and my cousin can like drift and all that. Like real good.
Tyler, Derek's near the finish line.
Yeah.
Ask him if that was your
Jay!
voice.
Jay, look!
It's my other cousin.
Dude, that is so sick.
75-foot ramp floor. Might as well possible this first charge.
Go up a little.
Just gonna feel
Go up a little.
like a bad kick at the top of the ramp.
Your cousin's right there, would you?
Go for it.
Remember something? Bro, you're never gonna make it because you drifted.
Alright, so take 2.
No, crap! I'm about to hit the KTM sign.
Kick further. I don't think that this is gonna work either. We're gonna try it.
Bro, you're nuts. Guys, what?
I know. I'm crazy like that, huh?
Bro, I'm about to hit this ramp. I'm about to backflip it.
Alright, problem solved. I was a little concerned that it wasn't gonna hold on that little piece of metal we found with those little clamps, but
Oh my god. Oh, you know that Power Ranger movie?
That's Travis. That's Travis.
You know that Power Ranger movie?
Hmm?
You know the Power Ranger movie?
Yeah, that new one?
Yeah. Have you seen it?
Yeah.
You know the Black Ranger when he jumps out of the car and starts running and tries to jump in? And one of the Rangers said, "You're crazy!" And the Red Ranger said, "You're crazy!" And he said, "I know I am."
Dude, look, they're racing. Watch this. They do it on a dirt bike. Travis has it. Look,
Really bad,
that's Travis's bike. That's Travis Pastrana. He's awesome.
I'd rather go to Walsh than do that.
He broke his bike.
Nerve-wise? Stop thinking. I will do the exact same thing. Any of those?
For sure.
Think anything would hit the rest?
Who's Travis?
Huh.
On the floor.
Keep not thinking. Don't think it'll be perfect. I don't think
There's Steve.
Off the ramp, but
What the heck? He jumped off the bike.
why am I flying through the air?
Travis, let.
Yeah, right.
Are you gonna play a game, dude?
A good start. Well, I really want to do a triple on a dirt bike, but even in the airbag, it's scary. And it is really, really hot out here. I don't know if you guys. Welcome to Maryland. That's just the undershirt. So we got a radar gun here so we can clock his speed as he's heading toward the ramp. This is probably the only time Travis Pastrana puts a radar gun pointed at him.
How do you do a trick, dude? I don't know how to do a trick. How do you do it?
This. And what's that?
Oh, okay.
Up in the air. Yep.
Okay, I got you. My guy's like, I'm jumping for it! Okay. Guys, you're asking why I'm asking, because I'm new to this game. I'm gonna start.
That's a Yamaha.
Okay, let's go. Let's go, guys.
Watch this, YouTube.
Yeah. Great week of testing.
Fuck.
That ramp's
Dude,
amazing.
I'm about to fall.
Thank you for testing the front loop.
Dude, it's harsh.
This big step up. is
Because they
going
kill
to the
you.
Next level. I can't wait to get you.
Dang it, I almost did it. No! I almost did it.
To my wrestlers.
Today, and I'm going to
Skateboard.
Justin some skateboards. I have no idea how I got here.
These things go like 20 miles an hour. I don't think this is the safest idea.
I'm gonna get my ass. Hi.
I need to go up a high ramp.
Watch YouTube.
Okay, kids. Okay, guys. Oh, guys, I did it, but I didn't like twist enough.
Am I looking
Okay.
forward to this? To be honest, when I realized that this got the green light and that Sony's behind it, I had intense anxiety for 2 days straight. I couldn't stop thinking about it.
Dude, I almost landed that.
And was it a backflip?
No, it was like something else.
Like a body flip? Rock solid.
Okay.
Watch this. Bro, let's play Minecraft
No, I don't want to.
in the
Let's
next.
just play this for a while.
Okay, when you get higher than 140, well, since you're stuck with
Hey
145,
guys, I might just end the episode up here, and I just want 10 likes or above, or 5. I just don't
make
care.
that 5,000
Just
likes,
make sure y'all have fun and all that. So, see you guys next time. Peace out. Bye.